that we know a little bit about polynomials, well, let's start manipulating them a little bit mathematically. And we'll start by adding some polynomials. So let's take a polynomial here, and we'll make it 2x cubed plus 4x minus 1 plus x squared minus 3. Now we want to add these. There's two ways that we can add these together. First, we can add them horizontally. So let's do that way first. Whoops. When we add a polynomial horizontally, what we'll do is, because we're adding, we'll just remove the parentheses and we'll group like terms. Now, like terms are terms that have the same exponent on the variable, or that are just plain real numbers. So in this polynomial, I made a mistake here. This should be 2x squared. Okay. We'll remove the parentheses. I'll do this in steps. We'll remove the parentheses, so we'll do 2x squared plus 4x minus 1 plus x squared minus 3. So that's what we did first. We just removed the parentheses. Now we're going to group like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power, or in the case of a whole number, just the whole number. So we have an x squared here and an x squared here. So we'll have a 2x squared plus x squared. Okay, we've grouped the x squared terms. We just have a single term with x in it. And we have a minus 1 and a minus 3. So when we add like terms, all we add is the coefficient. So 2x squared plus a 1x squared is 3x squared. So we've added these like terms. We're going to group the like terms and then combine or add like terms. Now we just have a single term with x in it, so we just write that down. And then we can combine a negative 1 and a negative 3 is a negative 4. So when we add these two polynomials together, this is the answer. And that was an example of horizontal addition. Next, I'm going to do the same problem, but I'm going to add it vertically, vertical addition. Vertical addition will write the polynomial and we'll write it with the highest order term first, followed by the next highest, and then the next. Then underneath that, we'll match up the like terms. So this is an x squared and this is an x squared, so we're going to add an x squared there. We don't have a second term with x in it, so we'll leave that blank, or you could put a 0 in there if you want, doesn't matter. And then we have a minus 3. And now all we have to do is add the columns. So we have a minus 1 and a minus 3 is a minus 4. A 4x plus 0 is a 4x, a plus 4x. And 2x squared plus x squared is 3x squared. And now we've added that vertically, and we got the same answer as the answer we had when we added it horizontally. That's the end of the first problem.